In today's video, I am going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. All you have to do is just simply change some settings. First, open the YouTube app. Go to Settings. Go to General. Turn off the playback feeds. Now go back to YouTube Home. Give Not Interested for every short you see like this. Do this about 3 times. Now remove YouTube app from recent apps like this. Now reopen the YouTube app. Now like this, your Shorts tab is gone. Thanks for watching and subscribe.